Alright guys, since I've been drinking so many coffees, I kind of messed up the Keurig and they sent us out a free one. So if I do an unboxing of this one, got the handy dandy knife. Close this so I don't hurt myself. Oh, it's a Ninja! A box within a box. This ain't on my foot. Got it. Well, hi, Batman. Oh my god. Why did it make that fail? It's so difficult to unbox. Oh, wait a minute, Pikachu. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Why did it make that fell? It's so difficult to unbox. Oh, and look, Pikachu. Ta-da! It's a Ninja. Now we get to unbox another unboxing within a boxing. How meta can we get? If you're enjoying this video, like it when I got hurt. Let me down. Or note down in the comments below. Ta-da! Close my knife, don't want to hurt myself again. Got your little instructions. Start by thingy my bobber. About punching myself. Why do they make these so uneven to get out of the box? I hope I don't break this cover. Here we are in all its glory. Oh. Unboxing, we got another coffee pot. Woo! This thing is huge, what she said. Here we are. Gotta unbox the coffee pot too. Ow. We got it unboxed from it. As you can tell, nice, shiny glass, I think. This thing could do frothing, you could do Oh, espresso, the lattes, you name it. Can't wait to give it a try. You guys enjoyed this unboxing. And yeah, like and check out all my coffee videos.